How to draw a cute flamingo step by step. Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Let's draw it step by step. Step 1. Draw the eyes. First, draw a big round circle for the right eye. Make it a little smaller because it is farther away. Leave a small white circle for the light shine. Nice! Color the black part. Step 3. Draw the beak. Draw a line in the middle to show the beak opening. Then I draw another line to separate the colors of the beak. Step 4. Draw the head and top feathers. Good job! Step 5. Draw the neck. From the head, draw a long curved line going down. Draw another curved line next to it to make the neck thick. Step 6. Draw the body. Under the neck, draw a big round shape for the body. Add a small curved shape where the legs will connect. Step 7. Draw the wings. On the side of the body, draw a curved wing shape. Add small curved lines inside to show feathers. Step 8. Draw the tail. At the back of the body, draw small pointed feathers for the tail. Keep them short and simple. Make the wing look soft and layered. Step 9. Draw the legs. Make the legs skinny. Step 10. Draw the feet and toes. At the bottom of each leg, draw 3 small toes in front. Final step, coloring. Color the body pink. Make the beak light pink and black at the tip. You're done! Now you have a cute flamingo.
Draw for our channel. Write your name on your drawing and send it to appear in future videos. Draw for our channel.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.